Assalamu alaikum, guys. Today I'll be showing you the dua when you hear thunder. It's like when it's a rainy day and you hear thunder, boom, 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 boom. You don't need to be scared. Allah sent to us, or Prophet Muhammad told us this dua. So Allah will protect us. If you hear the thunder, you don't need to be scared. You just read the dua, and Allah will protect you. So let's get started. Bismillah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم لا تقتلنا بغضبك ولا تهلكنا بعذابك وعافنا قبل ذلك. So that is the dua when you hear thunder. Thunder, boom, boom, boom. So thanks for watching. Jazakumullahu khaira. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, AAA kids. Click the bell and give us a big thumbs up. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.